good to have you back to my channel, and it's way more better for the new faces who will be watching this video. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a fake virus that's gonna prank your friends. So some of you may wonder that if you use the virus, it may destroy files. This is my statement. First, remember that I said it's fake, so it won't destroy anything. It's totally safe. So the first thing you're gonna do is you will right click on your mouse, then tap at the new and new shortcut. So the first thing you'll type is shutdown, then space S, that's for shutdown, then T as the timer, then the number of seconds you will spend. I'll spend 60 seconds before the computer shuts down completely. So 60. Then next, so as it can be more realistic, I'll write top secret, don't open. You know guys, one of the most funny facts about humans is when you tell them not to do something is when they'll do it. So I'll click finish, because some of people may be curious that why is it top secret. So then there is only one way to find out, so they'll open it. So I'll try to choose an icon that's more convincing, and by my perception I think this works best. So okay, then the icon is changed, so I'll keep it here so as it may be more presentable. So some of you may wonder that once you tap the top secret don't open, your computer will shut down and you'll have no way to stop it. So this is how you're gonna stop it. So right click, you're gonna create another icon, then new, then shortcut, then you will type shutdown, shutdown A, then next, then you'll type cancel, then finish. Also you will change the icon, so properties, change icon, okay, then I'll look for an icon that goes with what I'm doing. So this is the icon, okay, change. Once it's changed, so this is how it works. You just tap at the top secret don't open, then it tell you you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 1 minute. So close, then you tap at the cancel button, then the logo is cancelled. The scheduled shutdown has been cancelled. So that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe so as you will get updated once I upload another video. Also, you can leave a comment if there is a video you want me to do for you. Also, you can use the comment if you didn't understand to ask questions and I'll answer you instantly as I say it. So, have a nice day.